Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame, and a very clear bearish day today on an increase in bearish volume. So we opened up fairly close to the high of yesterday, 226.73. We hit 226.59, and then the bears completely took over. And the close near the low of the day indicates further downside is more likely than not heading into tomorrow. So the key low is the low of that Fed day, 224.04. And again, this is being adjusted for the dividend on SPY. And if you don't want to deal with that dividend nor the adjustment, then you look at SPX. And SPX is right at that key support level as well. If we lose that support, the middle Bollinger Band is right there. Lose that support and the middle Bollinger Band, and we're going to be heading into 2017 on a bit of a bearish note. Now keep in mind it's all about time frame, and when I say on a bearish note, I'm just referring to the last 2-3 weeks of trading. If you look at the last 2 months of trading, we are nowhere near changing this uptrend. We would have to break 217.87, another $7 to the downside, before that higher low pattern breaks on the daily. So the bulls don't really have any concern of the longer term chart right now. And you look at the weekly time frame and see that we're pretty much trading sideways the past 3 weeks. And there's that consolidation low that I just pointed out. And really, if you want to look at the long-term chart, anywhere above 207.16, the low of the election dump, or just before the election, is a higher low. So no concerns for the longer-term bulls, some concerns for the shorter-term bulls. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, really there was no question at any point today who controlled the trend. Bears in full control to start, traded sideways. Another bearish drop. Look at the volume increasing for the bears. Lower highs and lower lows the vast majority of the day. And at no point did we break the lower high pattern for the bulls to potentially try and turn things around. So the close at the low of the day, we lost all hourly moving averages. We are seeing oversold conditions on the hourly. The RSI is down at 26. So we could see a short-term bounce to cool off that hourly RSI. But again, that daily moving, or that daily support, not a moving average, but previous price support, is going to be very, very key heading into tomorrow and to close out this week, the next 2 trading days, and to close out the year. So we'll see how it plays out. 224.04 is the level I'm watching for SPY. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow.